Sturdanatama Subhatausa. Here I am Shyam Gurudwaku. In this video I am going to discuss some practice questions and past paper questions regarding the statement of production cost or manufacturing accounts. Okay, here I have presented a question regarding manufacturing account. That is question number 2. You are given direct material 15,000, direct labor 85,000, other direct expenses 20, wages for supervisor 30,000, salaries of the watchman 10,000, fuel for factory 7,000, electricity 23,000, depreciation of machine 10,000, factory rent 25,000, factory insurance 10,000. Finally, you are asked to calculate prime cost, part A, part B, production overhead cost, part C, total production cost. Right. Then part A, prime cost. You know, prime cost is the cost which is included total direct cost. That means addition of total direct cost, direct material cost, direct labor cost and direct other cost. Right. Equal direct material cost plus direct labor cost plus direct other cost. Right. In this question, you are given direct material 215,000. Right. Direct labor, you are given 85,000. Direct other cost, you are given 20,000. Right. Here we are asked to calculate prime cost. So I got all three components regarding prime cost. Direct material 215,000. Okay. Direct labor 85,000. Direct other cost 20,000. Okay. I have got all three. Which is regarding direct cost or prime cost. Then take addition 215,000 plus 85,000, 300,000, and another 20,000, 320,000. 320,000 is the answer for part A. Right. Then we can calculate production overhead cost. Production overhead cost means total of indirect material, indirect labor and indirect other cost. Here you are given, we can first write production overhead. First equal indirect material cost plus indirect labor cost plus indirect other expenses. Under that, wages for supervisor 30,000. Supervisor does not involve the production process, therefore the payment made to supervisor comes under indirect labor cost. Then you can take 30,000 under indirect labor. The salary of the watchman, you know, watchman, he looks after the factory or premises, he doesn't involve the production process. The payment made to watchman also comes under indirect labor, that is 7,000. Right. The next one, electricity 23,000. It comes under indirect other expenses, indirect overheads. Then 23,000. Electricity. We can't attribute electricity per unit cost directly. Therefore, it comes under indirect other cost. Next item, depreciation. You know, when you use machineries, there can be decrease in the value of the asset, that is called depreciation. It comes under indirect other expenses, that is 10,000. Right. Next item, factory rent. It is also comes under indirect other expenses, 25,000. Right. Next item, factory insurance. You know, we can't incur factory insurance also directly to the production unit. Therefore, it comes under indirect other expenses, 10,000. Right. Then we got all the items given in the questions. Then here we are going to calculate production overhead cost. It consists of three parts: indirect material, indirect labor and indirect other cost. Here indirect material, no any other indirect materials. Right. Then we take this addition of these two. Here 37,000. Here 23, 33, 58 and 68,000. At the exam, you have to check the values, whether we have taken all the items given. Salaries for which match, okay, it's there. Electricity 23 is there, and depreciation 10,000, okay, and insurance 10,000, okay, 25,000 back rent, right, 23, 33, 43, 68,000. Then we take the addition of these two. 0, 0, 0, 7 plus 8, 5, balance 1, 7 and 10, 105,000 rupees. Is the total production oil cost? 105,000 rupees. Total production oil cost. Right. Then we can move to part C. Part C answer is to calculate total production cost. You know, total production cost here is the addition of production overhead cost and prime cost. We got total production cost equal prime cost plus production overhead cost. Right. Prime cost, we got addition of these three, 320,000. In the previous answer, part A, we got under prime cost 320,000. Then we got under part B, production overhead cost 105,000. When we have at these two, prime cost 320,000 plus 105,000 production overhead cost, then it will be 425,000 rupees. That is the value of total production cost. Okay. Again, I will explain how to take total production cost. Prime cost plus production overhead cost. We got 320,000 prime cost and production overhead cost 105,000. That is the addition of these values. This is equal to 105,000. These three are 320,000. Addition of these two will be total production cost. That is 425,000. Okay. I think you understood the question. These are easy practice questions, but anyway, it will help you to enhance your knowledge and practice. Then, again, we can meet with another questions, practice questions or past paper questions. Anyway, these are important questions even for other professional exams also. If you take AAT Part 1, CIMA Part 1, ACC Part 1, or London, Cambridge and Edexcel syllabuses, all level, A-level for both. Production cost statement is important lesson. Therefore, anybody who has interest regarding manufacturing accounts can watch this video. Then please don't forget to subscribe me. Subscribe button is below the video. Then you can press that button and press the bell icon also. Then you can switch on your notifications. Then I can easily send my videos to you. Thank you very much.